Hello. Today I tell a story about Rabindranath Tagore, a day of his life. We know this from Rabindra Sangam, wrote by Satish Chandra Chattopadhyay. Two stations left from Gaya, and then far away, there is three small mountains named Barabar, and the mid one has a cave. Many times ago, perhaps there lived some Buddhist monk, so it is a spiritual place. In the time of 1914, Rabindranath was near Gaya, so a panda invited Rabindranath to visit the cave with his whole family. And the panda took the responsibility of the journey. He said he made all essential arrangements like palkis, tents, foods, etc. So Rabindranath agreed to visit the cave. It is decided that Rabindranath got into the Gaya station at about 6 am and then went to the station Bela, and the next journey followed with the panda. Our writer met Rabindranath at the Gaya station. He also got a chance to go with Rabindranath. Because of his family members is not coming, and the panda already said he arranged 3 palkis and 2 elephants for the next journey. So our author got into the train with Rabindranath. There he saw Rabindranath wrote in the train with his full concentration, and our author casually got into another compartment. When they reached in the Vela station, they saw only one elephant can stand there. No palki was there and anything. But the panda said, wait few minutes. The palki were in their way, coming soon. So they wait 1 hour left, then another. No palki were come. Then 2.5 hours later, 2 palki were come. So Rabindranath said, no, we cannot go. The panda said, why? Why we cannot go? Rabindranath said, it is at about my returning train at about just 5 pm. If we go, can we return in 5 pm? The panda said, obviously. The journey was at about 1 hour, and then there was all arrangement was ready, tents are ready, foods are cooked. We can obviously return in 5 pm, so we should go. So Rabindranath and our author want to go. But the panda said, even Satish, go with the palki, I can follow you with the horse cart. So the journey started. The whole journey was full of warm, humidity and dust. So our author very irritated about that. But he saw Rabindranath. He was silent and he wrote with full of peace and concentration. So he said nothing. When they reached, they did not see any tent. There was no cooking arrangement. They were informed that the cooks were and the essential things were in his away, reached soon. They realized that it is not enough to stay here. So they decided to return. But the men who carried the palkis did not agree to return. They said, how can we go? It is impossible. We are tired and we need some food. Our author tried to make them understand, but they did not understand. Then he became angry and shouted. So at last they can agree to return. In the highway, the carriers requested our author for giving some money to buy some alcohol. So our author gave him some money which he had to buy some alcohol, and then the journey began. The return path was very difficult because all of them were hungry and the dust and the warm. But our author noticed that Rabindranath was writing. Nothing can affect him. A small little symbol of irritation was not found in his face. So at last they reached in the Bella station. There they knew that the panda who took all responsibility went to Gaya in mid-day. So they can wait and they bought some food and water, and at last the train coming and they got into the train. Our author was very tired. He felt that his head just blasting. But when he went to the Rabindranath, there he saw that Rabindranath was writing. He just thought. He felt how it could be possible. In this situation, with this tiredness, a man how could write? At last, they reached in Gaya station. There was Subrata, who introduced our author to Rabindranath, came to receive him. And our author said Subrata what happened in the whole of journey, etc. etc. And he apologized to Rabindranath. But Rabindranath was calm. And he said it's okay, nothing to worry about. The panda can realize his fault, so he escaped. So it's okay. Mm, and left the place casually. Someday after, when a new book came, they saw in this day Rabindranath wrote 5 poems. Then he realized that why Rabindranath was so calm. He realized that nothing can affected him because his work give him the satisfaction. What we knew in the story, that no situation is important to work, and the only thing which make your day, it is your work. Just ask your mind. He knew that if you worked in a day with full of energy, enthusiasm, you felt just all happiness that you made this, you made the day. So nothing worried. So no situation is important. Just like COVID, lockdown, only your work, which made your day, your life better, happy and peaceful. So just do your work. Thank you. Jai Hind.